Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, router Xiaomi Mi router AX3600, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the admin password on this device. To do it, firstly need to open the settings in the browser. Then after that, you need to choose security, scroll down, and here you will find the change administrator password. So first you need to provide the original password. I have from 1 to 8. And now we need to twice enter new password. For example, I wanna 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And click save. Okay, now let's log out from our device, and now of course you can't see it, but I'm checking it for me. So old password isn't work, and now when I will enter 1 so it works. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.